On number 7, I'm converting 12 feet to yards. So I'm going to use the same conversion as number 6, but it's just in the reverse order. So 12 feet over 1 times 1 yard over 3 feet. So I want to do 12 times 1 divided by 3. So the feet will cancel out, and I'm left with 4 yards. Number 8 wants us to convert 19,800 feet to miles. So that conversion is right here. So I'm going to set up 19,800 feet over 1 times 1 mile over 5,280 feet. So the feet will cancel out, and then if I type on my calculator 19,800 times 1 divided by 5,280, then I get 3.75 miles.